Hello everyone. Are you looking for free course to enhance your skills? Or are you interested in learning something in your free time? And what if I tell you that you can master any skill you want all for free of cost? Here I am going to show you how to find the free courses in Udemy. Udemy is one of the biggest and most trusted online learning platform where you can find the widest variety of courses under video on demand and where a certified instructor is available for your needs. And it offers lots of free courses. How to find the free courses in Udemy. Step 1. Open udemy.com. Step 2. Search the course you are going to learn. For example, I'm going to search Adobe Photoshop. Step 3. Click Filter and select Free. And my personal suggestion is check 4.5 plus rating, so you will get best rated courses. Step 4. Now sort by highest rated. Simply click on the name of the course you are interested in and enroll immediately. It's that simple. Now you've got best rated courses for free, and you can start learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this was useful.